Again, I'm telling you, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, students, as you know, that today is the Constitution Day.
Constitution Day.
Yeah, 26th November. So, please, we will discuss about the Constitution of India in the HRM, and it is compulsory for everyone to attend the HRM period. Clear? Now, I am going to start my class. You all know that before starting the class, as we are doing the multiplication, so we are writing the tables also. So please write the table of 18, 19 and 20 in your revision notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my internet was gone, so what are you doing? I have joined
Not
again.
started the class yet. We are starting now.
So we are doing the 19 and 20 table, no?
18, 19 and 20. 18 ones are,
18.
and I expect from everyone to please give the answers. 18 twos are,
36.
36.
18 threes are, because I can recognize each and every child voice. 18 threes are,
54.
54.
54.
18 fours are,
72.
72.
22.
18 fives are,
90.
90.
18 six are,
109.
105. 100. Sorry, 108.
Yes, ma'am. 108.
18 sevens are,
126. 126. 126.
126.
126.
And 18 eights are,
144.
144.
144.
18 nines are,
170.
172.
162.
162. 172 is not the answer. 162. 18 tens are,
180. 180.
giving you a time. Please write it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, done.
Rishik, turn on your camera. Let me take the attendance, then I will remove my hand. Kavisha, turn on your camera.
6.
Arnav, mute your mic.
Ma'am, I
Hansel,
cannot hear
can I
you.
talk to you? Hansel, can I talk to you, bacha? Yes or no? No
Ma'am,
light
I
is
have
coming.
right table.
Yes, ma'am.
No light is coming. Okay, Mohammed, good, you are writing. No light is coming on your face.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varija, please speak.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Speak.
Did Bhakti's talk with you? Said anything?
No.
Because in EVS class, Kayuri ma'am was very tell him to please on your microphone. She was ignoring ma'am. I don't know why we thought that she is having any network issue, but she saw the chat box. She didn't reply.
I will talk with Bhakti. Okay,
Ma'am,
Han.
she on his mic.
Okay, I will
Ma'am,
talk.
my home's net light is gone,
My
so
dear, you please do your work, everyone. You do. Please written on the board.
okay.
Hansel, can I talk to you? It has been observed that you are coming in the class, but though no response is coming from your
Yes,
side.
ma'am.
and you are leaving your class early. आप जल्दी छोड़ के चले जाते हो क्लास. 10 मिनट होते हैं क्लास में अभी भी और आप छोड़ देते हो क्लास को. So please don't leave the class until. Dev Patel, now you are writing.
Ma'am.
My
Ma'am,
dear, then it will be a lot of work for you.
yeah, ma'am. But when I am taking the pen in hand, so it is paining.
Just take the help of someone, sit with you in the classes. Otherwise, then it will be overloaded for you then.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Prayag.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
today is
only
no
few
one in my house.
Okay. What happened, Priya?
Ma'am, only few days, then the will open now. Then no one, then you can see everyone writing, and no one will object in here.
Yes. So can I move to the table of 19 now?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Means completed. Lot of faces.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Rishik, turn on your camera, please. Last time बोला है, अब now I will remove you. And you know when the teacher removes the child, what happened?
Ma'am, no 19 table, no?
19 ones are
19. 19. 19. 19. 19.
19 twos are
38. 38.
19 threes are
57.
19 fours are
76.
19 fives are
114.
19 fives are
95.
19 sixes are
114.
114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 19 nines are 19 tens are
190.
please write in your notebooks, giving you time to write, please. And table of 20 also you can write. I will not write it on the board. It's a simple table.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to put 1 0 in 20 table.
Mute yourself, Ahana. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
20 table also please write.
Done.
Done.
Ma'am, now we will do the multiplication sums, no?
No, yes. Please open your maths notebook now. And learn the tables till 20. And write the heading 4 digit by 4 digit. 4 digit by 4 digit is not in your syllabus in the grade 4. But I am preparing you for the grade 5. So on the basis of this 4 digit by 4 digit, I'm not going to send you the worksheet. We will do only the practice sums in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Each child will do 5 practice sum in their notebook.
Ma'am, can you wait 2 minutes?
I'm writing on the board the sums. You can write it now. 4 digit by 4 digit concept I'm going to explain you. 4 by 3 you have already understood. 4 digit multiplier and 3 digit multiplier.
Ma'am, have you got the yesterday's worksheet
Yes.
which I shared?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rishik.
Ma'am, I have to go somewhere, so can I go?
No, beta. Why? In the class, when you're coming in the half middle of the class, you cannot go. You have to send the message to the teacher prior. What is the reason?
Ma'am, wedding.
My dear, please. You have to send an inform to the class teacher, either to me, as I am your class teacher. You have to inform prior. In the middle of the session, teacher cannot allow you to go because now I am going to start the concept.
Excuse me, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Varija. 4 digit by 4 digit. Navya, Varija, can you wait for a minute? I will listen to you.
I just want to say something.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my maths notebook is over, so I took a new one.
Okay. Navya, give me any 4 digit multiplication and 4 digit multiplier.
3,000.
3,000.
500.
3,500.
86.
86. Then
Multiply by 926.
4 digit.
Oh, sir. 9,200. 26.
Mute yourself now. So Navya, lot of voices coming mute. 6 6 36. Right, leave it, Navya, I will give the answers because lot of voices coming which disturbing the class. बंद रखो आप अपना mic. 6 6 36. 6 8 48.
48 plus 3, 51.
6 5 30 plus 5.
30 plus 5, 35.
6
Yeah.
3 18. 18 plus 3.
18 plus 3, 21.
1 0 will come.
Yeah.
Then 6 2 the 12.
6 2 12. हाँ. 2 6 12. 2 8
8 2 the 16. And plus 1 17.
Just a minute. Is there any child extra here or joined with the 2 IDs?
Ma'am, Ahana.
Ahana, you are with the 2 IDs? Okay. So we were doing 2 6 12, 1 here, 2 here, 2 8 16 plus 1, 17. 2 5
2 5 10. And
10 plus 1.
11.
2 3 6 plus 1, 7.
7.
2 zeros will come. Again we start with the 2 because next number is also the 2. 2 6 12. 2 8 16 1, 17. 2 5 10 plus 1, 11. 2 3 6 plus 1, 7. Till here, any doubt to any child? Now coming the fourth number. Till here 3-digit you wanted.
Three zeros.
30. Because it's a 9,000.
Yes, ma'am. 30.
And 9,000 is having 3 zeros. So we put 3 zeros first and then we move to the 9. Now we multiply all the numbers with the 9. Hansel, I'm telling you, you are not writing. Even your camera is also not stable. You are not writing anything in your notebook. Show me your notebook, please. You know, very soon, within 2 or 3 days after the school is going to reopen, what you will show to us. Hansel, I'm talking to you. Please respond. Turn on your mic. See?
Yes.
Where is your notebook? Show me. Show me your notebook, Hansel. I think you know I am not audible to you. ऐसा मुझे perception लग रहा है. मेरी आवाज आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रही है ना? Right? You know school is going to reopen after 2 or 3 days.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will do in that case? You will show us the empty notebook. तो अभी आपके पास notebook क्यों नहीं है? A request to the students, please don't waste the time of other students also. Nine six ja.
9 6 are 54.
9 8 ja.
72.
52 plus 5.
77.
9 5 ja.
9 5 are 45.
Plus 7.
Ma'am, 52.
9 3 ja.
9 3 are 27.
27 plus 5.
32.
32. And it will be the big answer. Three crore 30,000. No. Wait. This is your answer. Please check.
Ma'am, 3 crore.
Read it.
3 crore.
Yes, more than. So please, is the answer coming same?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am giving you some time, students. Do 2 sums each child. And I can call any child and that child has to give me the answer. Please start doing 2 sums by your own fast. Four digit by 4 digit. If your concept now, it can come any number. 5 digit by 5 digit, 6 digit by 6 digit. Just you have to keep on moving. Yes?
Ma'am, 0 0 0.
Yeah, because here you multiplying with the ones, so no
Yeah.
zero. Here you are multiplying with the tens, 1 0, hundreds 2 0, 1,000 3 0, 10,000 4 0, and so on. The number will increase.
I can write any number.
Any numbers multiply.
Ma'am, I can say.
Done. Sum is done. Arnav.
Yes, ma'am.
First, do it in the notebook.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Not this one. I want the new one.
No, ma'am, I made it.
Okay, show me which digits you have taken. Wait, let me pin you.
3,005. Like this.
Wait a minute. 3,256 multiplied by 5,812. Let me check the answer. Wait a minute. Hold it like this only. Let me see the digits. Three thousand two hundred fifty-six multiplied by
Ma'am, this
5,812.
sum you are writing in the board that we have to write in our notebook,
One sum I have written that, so you have to write it.
and this now you are writing that
Now
one.
till now I have not written. If I will write, I will give you the instructions. What is your answer coming? Can you read the answer?
Ma'am, ma'am, 19873872.
1987.
Yes.
19 or 18?
1987.
Again, show me the digits. Can you read?
Ma'am,
Multiplicand.
3,256 multiplied by 5,812.
Can you read?
Yes, ma'am. 19873872.
No, it's wrong. Do it again.
Yes, ma'am. I did.
And better you do students with the pencil. If you have not used the pen right till now, use the pencil so that you can do the corrections also. And show me once your first sum is done. Janya, what is happening? What is happening? Pay attention in the class.
Ma'am, my sister is beating me.
Tell her not to disturb you when the class is going on. If any child has completed the second sum, can raise his hand and give me. I will discuss.
Ma'am, I am doing it.
Okay, Kavisha done. Second sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kavisha, give me the digits. Show me your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring it little closer. What are your digits? 3,586. 3,586 multiplied by 9,226. 9,226. So what is your answer coming? Please put it up. 330844436. Excellent. Good, Kavisha. Prayag, yes, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I also.
Kavisha, do the second sum now, one third sum. Prayag, please show me your notebook.
Ma'am, what I have done is rough book because I don't know it is correct or not.
Okay, you can show the rough notebook, no problem.
Yes. Can you see the sum?
Yes, 9,603, right? And 8,666.
Yes, ma'am.
9,603 multiplied by 8,666. So what is your answer coming at 3? No.
It's 8 crore 32,000. No, 32 lakh 2,200.
32 lakh 25,000. 32 lakh, then
32 lakh 32 lakh 2,266.
no. Just hold it.
Yes, ma'am.
Eight three two. No, it's wrong. Can you please do it again?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other child? Yes, Yuk Surana, show me your notebook. Let me pin you. and it is not coming, it's coming blurred, so please show me properly or tell me the
Ma'am,
digits.
can I tell my numbers?
Yeah, tell your numbers.
3,691
Hmm.
multiply by 5,891.
Hmm.
So
What is
my
your
answer
answer?
is coming 2 crore 17 lakh 42,681.
42,000 की जगह 43,000 आना चाहिए, आप कुछ वन ऐड करना भूल गए हो.
Wait a minute, Mama.
43,681 आना चाहिए.
Yeah, ma'am. I forgot it. Yeah, I forgot to one. I add one.
Okay.
So now my answer
Next
is
child.
2 crore 17 lakh 43,681.
Hmm.
So ma'am, now I have to do second sum of my own.
Yeah. Yes. Any other child completed and show me your notebook?
Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
Laisha, show me.
So,
Tell me your digits.
yes, 4,002,
Wait a minute.
4,256
4,256
multiplied by 7,326.
multiplied by 7,326. What will be your answer?
1 minute, ma'am. I think 3 crore 11 16
3 crore 11 lakh 79. What is your answer?
69,456.
आपका भी वही है, 69,000 की जगह 79,000 आना चाहिए. कहीं वन ऐड करना भूल गई हो.
Let me do it again.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my also done.
Okay, tell me, meet your digits.
Ma'am, 4,587
Wait a
and
minute. 4,587.
and 9,229.
9,229. 9,229. Okay. What it's coming?
Ma'am, it's 36623.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, I also
I
done.
got my answer.
Do it again, Meera.
I got my answer.
Meer Virani. Then I will
Yes.
come to you. First, Meer Virani. Yes, Parija, speak. Let me talk with Meer Virani, then I will come to you. By the time you children do the second sum, don't waste your time, okay? And Meer, yes, speak. Give me your digits.
2,314.
Wait a minute. 2,314.
314.
314, huh? Multiply by
4,556.
4,556. What is your answer?
9 crore 38 lakh
Wrong.
46,000.
Wrong, wrong. Wrong. Do it again. That's the reason I am not writing it on the board. I want you children do the practice by your own.
Ma'am,
Just the
second sum is also
Yes, ma'am. 4,996.
4,996.
Sorry, 4,896.
Wait a minute. 4,896, right?
Yes, ma'am. Multiplied by 6,972.
6,972. What is your answer?
Ma'am, 3 crore 42,000.
Aage?
42 lakh 74,972.
No, wrong. Do it again. Do this again. Any other child? Yes, Kavisha, Prayag, and Yuk Surana, you already got one chance. Your concepts are clear. Priyag, you tell me. Your answer has come right now.
Ma'am, no, but I had done the
Another sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check.
9,001.
Wait a minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
9,000.
Can I get a chance?
I will give you. Varija after Prayag.
I just want to check if my answer is right.
That only I will check now after Prayag. Prayag,
9,001.
9,000.
9,001.
9,001 multiplied by
8,999.
8,999. What is your answer?
My answer is coming 8 crore 9 lakh 99,999.
Yes, this is correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am confused in my second sum.
Can I clear you later on, because need to discuss with the other students, those who have not received the chance also.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Laisha.
I don't understand why actually the 1,000 is coming 72.
हम discuss कर लेंगे, right? We will do it on the board.
Yes,
Yes, Varija, please speak.
7,000
7,000.
multiplied by 1212.
1212. Easy numbers नहीं लो वारिजा, tough numbers लो, big numbers. ये easy numbers हैं, easily multiply हो जाएगा. What is your answer coming?
Ma'am, 8484000.
Yes, read it with the place value. 8,48,000.
Yes, ma'am. 8,48,000.
Oh, wait.
8 crore 48,000
हाँ.
and 4.
No, 8 crore
8
4 lakh
4,84,000.
84,000. Got it?
Yes.
And take big numbers. This is very easy numbers.
Okay.
Can I
Yeah. Who? Ahana will speak. Yes, Ahana.
Can I tell you an HRM sum?
Can we discuss in the next class? You?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we discuss my sum in HRM because I'm so
We
confused?
can discuss. Yes, give me. Ahana, please speak. Already it's time.
Yes,
Fast.
ma'am. 9,521 multiplied by 3,241.
3,200 and
41.
what is your answer coming?
Ma'am, 307575661.
307 will not come. 308 will come.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, children, after giving you, when I told you to do the practice, now you are understanding where you are lacking, right? Where the mistake is coming. When I will do and I will write it on the board and you just have to copy, will not give you the understandings. Laisha, we will discuss your question in the HRM if we get time. Otherwise, in the next class.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
only my last sum, that 2,555 multiplied by 2,555. I just checked on Google and it's coming 65,000.
Why you have checked in the Google?
Ma'am, first I had done by myself.
But tell me the digits. Tell me your digits.
2,555
Hmm.
multiplied by 2,555.
Multiply by 2,565.
No, ma'am, 55. Again, that upper number.
Both numbers are same.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your answer?
My answer is 65,28,025.
28,025, not 025. It will be 25.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Please join the HRM.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank
Bye, ma'am.
you.
Bye.